Welcome back, guys, and I'm glad to have you back. And I'm doing a little mid-week announcement for you. Right here are some survival crutches. Sometimes you never know when you need them. Well, right now I need them because my left knee is not doing so well. And right now I am waiting to have surgery here in a couple weeks, so the sooner the better, so I can use your guys' prayers for that. But I'm also letting you guys know that this Sunday we are going to have a double feature. Now, you guys have asked a lot about seeing the, if you can see it right back there on the wall, that rare Chinese PLA mess kit. You guys have asked for some videos of cooking with it. Well, I was finally able to do a video a month ago on that. I was just trying to find time to get it edited. So it's finally been edited, and that video will be up this Sunday. And then I also did another video last weekend, and that will be up Sunday. So I will put the one that I made a month ago, the Chinese mess kit, up in the morning Sunday, and then I'll put the newer video up Sunday afternoon. So you guys are going to have a double feature this Sunday. But that's just a quick announcement, and this is the big one right here. So yeah, not much I can do really right now. Can't really do a lot of moving and stuff, just a lot of sitting. So you guys will see in the Sunday video, the second one in the afternoon. So what I'm talking about. But anyways, guys, I will see you Sunday, and then I'll see you after that, and after that, and after that. All right. Guys, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. Hope you guys are all doing great. Take care, and bye.